Generative AI, two words that are revolutionizing how we create. From art to writing, and even entire movies, AI is becoming the ultimate creative partner. But what exactly is generative AI and how does it work? In this video, we'll break it all down in a way that anyone can understand. Let's dive in. Generative AI refers to a specific type of artificial intelligence that doesn't just analyze data. It creates something new. Think of it as an artist, a writer, and a composer rolled into one digital brain. Imagine you give an AI the task of writing a story. Based on what it has learned from reading thousands of books, it can generate an entirely new story with original characters, plot twists, and dialogue. The same principle applies to other forms of content like images or music. So, how is this different from traditional AI? Well, most AI systems we interact with today are designed to follow rules or make predictions based on patterns and data. For example, your spam filter predicts whether an email is spam based on past spam emails. But generative AI doesn't just predict, it produces. Let's break down how it works, step by step. At the heart of a generative AI are deep learning models like GPT-3 or DALL-E. These models are trained on enormous data sets. Think millions or even billions of examples. For text-based models, that might be books, websites, and news articles. For image models, it could be photographs, paintings, or digital art. These AI models learn the patterns within this data, the structure of sentences, the brushstrokes of famous paintings, or the harmonies in a piece of music. When you give the model an input, like a text prompt or a phrase, the AI uses everything it has learned to generate a new piece of content from scratch. Let's say you ask for a picture of a robot playing guitar at sunset. The model doesn't just look for this specific image in its dataset. Instead, it understands the power of generative AI is already being felt in many fields. Let's start with art. Tools like DALL-E allow artists to visualize their concepts faster than ever before. Artists can generate dozens of ideas with just a few keywords, and then refine those into final pieces. In content creation, writers are using AI to help with everything from blog posts to product descriptions. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can input a few words, and the AI will generate a paragraph or even a whole article, giving you a great starting point. Gaming companies are also exploring how generative AI can create new characters, environments, and even levels, all in real time. Imagine playing a game where the world is constantly evolving, and no two experiences are the same. And in medicine, generative AI is being used to model proteins and discover new drugs. It's not just about creating pretty pictures or catchy tunes. Generative AI is helping solve real-world problems. But with all this creative power comes responsibility. Generative AI raises some important ethical questions. One of the biggest concerns is around authorship. If an AI creates something, who owns it? The person who gave the prompt, the AI company, or the AI itself? Then there's the issue of deepfakes. AI-generated videos that are so realistic they can be used to spread misinformation. Imagine a video of a world leader saying something they never. So, what's next for generative AI? The technology is still in its early stages, but it's clear that its impact will be huge, both creatively and ethically. As we move forward, it's important to embrace the possibilities while also considering the risks. What do you think about generative AI? Could it be a helpful tool, or are there too many potential downsides? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the world of AI.